In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Helvetia Baloise Holding AG, a Swiss insurance and financial services group listed on HBAN.ZU under the ticker HBAN.ZU. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and then add funds to place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HBAN.ZU to find the correct listing. Select the Helvetia Baloise Holding AG result to open its stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to ensure this is Helvetia Baloise Holding AG. Confirm the exchange shows CBOEEU and the ticker HBAN.ZU before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed at the next open, and if you do not have enough funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Use the link in the description to follow the same eToro process.